All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at ADSR expansion kit Rage Trap. This is for the ADSR Drum Machine. There'll be a link in the video description below for this as well. I did another review of the drum machine itself, so you can check that out to see all the different features. I'll show you some of them here as I'm going through these kits. But this is specifically, obviously, for trap. And we have 10 new drum kits and 160 unique patterns as well. And what else we got here? Obviously, you could program your own beats using these samples, change the samples around and such. Let's just jump over into Logic here and check this thing out. Okay, so let's load up the first kit here. Check out some of the sounds. Got like 4 kicks, 3 snares, some hats, claps, rim, and they got these beep sounds too. And then we go over to the sequencer here, play some of the different pre-programmed patterns that you can edit as well. So as you can see, a lot of real cool beats you can start with. You can draw your beats here. You can drag this in, these MIDI patterns, into your DAW as well. You can obviously play them as a program your own MIDI beats. Let's check out some of the other sounds, different kits, if you will, different patterns. Some pretty cool sounds there. Cool percussion sounds. Check out some other kits. Now these ones have programmed tempos into them for the patterns. Let's go to 135 here. Now, if you want to mute the melodic part and write your own melodic parts, obviously that's what you're going to want to do. You can just mute that. Pretty cool. See what the patterns they got here. Endless fun. Let's go to the next kit here. 140 beats per minute. Now you don't have to use them at these tempos, obviously, but some of the loops they have in here triggered at that tempo. So you can explore those other kits there, or other patterns. See what this kit is here. Give you an idea of that one. Pretty nice. 150 beats per minute for this one. So pretty cool. Yeah, so the loops in here, you could change these sounds or just not use them. Because if you just want to use the kit, you got the 808s in here. Or whatever. Yeah, that's how I pretty much use it. Because these are cool that they have these in here, but I mean, you're going to write a song. I guess you could write a song with those, but everyone else has the access to those patterns as well. Let's see here. What's this one? 140. Pretty cool sound. So what else we got here? So we got a couple more kits to go through here. Yeah, some loops in there too. That's it right there. So if you can mute the loop, change the tempo, so you get something out, create something different for yourself. So pretty cool. Let's check out the last couple kits here. 165 beats per minute. See what's up with that. So pretty cool. Let's check out the last one here. And again, I did another video going over more of the details of the drum machine itself, because you could change these samples, put different samples in here. You could even drag your own in there, make your own kits up. Is this one a tempo synced one? I guess so. It has a bass part in there. And that. What tempo was this? 138. Check this thing out. So pretty cool. Also, If you're interested in the drum machine, this is an expansion pack, so you have to buy that separately. But you also do get a free plug-in every month. Well, I shouldn't say every month. At least for the last year that I've been checking out their website here, they usually give you a free plug-in with every purchase. So whether you buy the expansion pack or whatever, this week it's another drum machine, interestingly enough. So you can check that out on their site. There'll be a link in the video description below. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the other video on the drum machine itself, and I will talk to you soon.